Children represent the future of a society, and ensuring their healthy growth and development ought to be a prime concern of all. The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. We are using magnified teeth models, Braille oral hygiene instruction leaflets, modified the TSD Tell Show Do to Tell Show Feel Do, an audio tactile performance technique. The best gift you can give a child with special needs is your friendship. To include them, play with them, and believe in them. With the help of charts, we are helping them distinguish good and bad food habits. We are conducting an experiment in which we soaked the egg in the cold drink, milk, and water overnight to help them realize the effects of different liquids used.
दिन में और रात को सोने से पहले हमारे दांत खराब हो जाएंगे और हमारे दांतों में दर्द होगा। गंदी सी बदबू
The dental condition of children with special healthcare needs may be directly or indirectly related to their disabilities.